Muzata.
Muzata CK07 toggle turnbuckle kit is capable of 180-degree rotation, so it is not only great for horizontal installation but also ideal for angle installation like stairs. Here are the tools we need for installation. You can search Muzata and part number to find them, such as Muzata CK09. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. You could always find the products in this video on Amazon. Just search Muzata and the model number in Amazon searching box. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, divide the height of post into equal length for each run and mark with pencil. Then we start from the small terminal side. Mark position for screws. Drill a hole before installing could make it much easier to screw in. Install small terminal. Put cable into small end and swage it twice with Muzata hydraulic crimper to fasten cable. Then we can install the turnbuckle side with pretty much the same steps. We need to extend the turnbuckle before measuring the cable length, so there will be some extra room for tensioning cable at the last step. Measure the length of cable, mark and cut. Put cable into turnbuckle and crimp. The last step, tighten the cable by rotating turnbuckle. And fasten turnbuckle with the two nuts. Then we have finished a run. It is easy to do it all by yourself without being a pro. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.